Welcome to What We're Bodging episode 1. I've got no idea how frequent these are going to be, but it's basically just to see what's going on at the minute and what I'm messing about with. A friend of mine who also decided he wanted to get into these picked this up, so he's asked me to get it all sorted and ready for him to run. There's a full build video of this which is already up on the channel. I'll put a link to it. So it's had a few repairs, replacements, upgrades as well. So I think we're going to start as a Subaru Brat, but we're going to do something a bit different with it. So that's going to be sat on a TL-01 chassis, but the main problem is the difference in the wheelbase. As you can see, if the front wheel's centred, the rear wheel's way off, so we're going to have to do something with that. The other project I really need to get finished is my Blackfoot. It's a 2016 re-ro. Really need to get the decals on it, but I think it needs something there custom on it as well. So hopefully we get this finished and ready to run this summer. Whilst doing all that, we'll probably end up designing and making a few more bits and pieces for the scale garage to go with the axle stands, jack, a little set of jump leads, functioning vice, barrel and toolbox. Thinking I might put a lift or a ramp there. Need to sort out where the door's going, but it'll do there for now. Here's a design for the brake discs, which are actually the hex as well, the calipers and the caliper mounts. In order to come up with the caliper mounts, I've actually had to recreate the hubs in 3D. Now then, let me create the caliper holders. I've made it so the calipers can bolt on. And then of course the brake disc, which is the hex for the wheel as well. Going on here is another set of the calipers and discs being printed. And these ones are going to be fitted on the replica of my road car. And that's a set of them on the Subaru drift car, just so we can see what they look like. I was also asked if I could make a set of calipers and discs for a Tamiya TT-02 as well, so same caliper design from the TT-01 so they can be swapped out. And that's pretty much it for now. As I say, I've got no idea how frequent these are going to be, but hopefully you'll start seeing some more videos on the channel of the projects. And I'll see you in the next one.